Look at how creamy that is. This is actual ice cream that's loaded with protein and low cal. Probably my favorite creamy of the day is going to be our cinnamon roll. You love ice cream. I love ice cream. We usually just hate the macros, right? It's too much fat, it's not enough protein. Well, stop choosing between your fitness goals and your favorite desserts, because today I'm showing you how to make 3 awesome low-calorie flavors: birthday cake, strawberry shortcake, and cinnamon roll. An entire pint. It's packed with flavor, and it makes staying in a deficit feel like a cheat code. These are the ultimate high-protein tools to help you lose fat and build muscle effortlessly while satisfying every single craving. Let's make them. First up, we'll make our birthday cake flavor. We're gonna start with 400 grams of Fairlife skim milk, 4 grams vanilla extract, and the key ingredient, 3 grams of our cake batter flavor extract, half gram of xanthan gum, 10 grams of swerve granular, 10 grams of sugar, yes, real sugar here, dash of salt. And the key to any Ninja Creami high protein recipe is going to be the protein powder. If your protein powder sucks, so will your Ninja Creami recipe. So make sure you're using a quality one like PE Science Gourmet Vanilla. Here I'm using 32 grams. And we'll go blend this. Blend it, and into our Ninja Creami cup it goes. Into the freezer for 24 hours, then we'll be ready to spin. Let's show you the mix-in, and then I'll spin the one I already made. And for our mix-in, we're going to use 16 grams of our rainbow sprinkles, because what goes better with birthday cake? Let's run this under hot water for 1 minute, and then we'll go spin it up. Little icy, but we just respin. And we are perfect. It even dug the hole for us for the mix-in, which we're going to add in right now. Mix-in setting. Ho-ho-ho! Birthday cake. Now what a treat this is here. Oh my. The sprinkles perfectly dispersed throughout the entire pint. That birthday cake extract really gives this a true cake flavoring without having to add cake bits into it. And look at this texture. Oh my. Look at how creamy that is. That is absolutely delicious. High protein, macro friendly ice cream, an entire pint. Wait till you see the macros on this one. Oh my. You can eat this whole thing for 350 calories and 48 grams of protein. Birthday cake flavor, ice cream, the whole pint. I mean, come on. We're winning. We're winning. Texture is amazing. But let's make the next one, because I know you want to see the other two. Next is our strawberry shortcake creamy. We're going to start by adding 140 grams of frozen strawberries into our blender. Then 300 grams of Fairlife skim milk, 4 grams vanilla extract. And this is where our extracts become really important on getting that true strawberry shortcake flavoring. This butter extract here is what transforms it from strawberry vanilla into a true strawberry shortcake. It mimics the flavor of a rich, buttery pound cake or biscuit, which is going to be perfect for this recipe. We're going to use 5 drops of this here. Next, we have our maple extract, and while the protein powder we're going to put in here is going to provide some sweetness, this maple extract is going to provide the depth. Essentially, we're tricking the palate into thinking there's a rich syrup or glaze swirled in, but without the extra sugar and the calories. 3 drops here. Then half a gram of xanthan gum, 10 grams swerve granular, 10 grams real sugar, dash of salt. Then we're going to use our negative scale measuring system to measure out our Greek yogurt. Let's add in 40 grams here. Then our last ingredient here, we're going to put in 24 grams, again, of our PE Science Gourmet Vanilla. Carefully and easily put our blender cap on. Now we blend it, add it into our creamy pint, and clearly you can tell we're making a strawberry-based ice cream. Freeze for 24 hours to be ready to spin. I, of course, have one made, so let's go try it. Strawberry shortcake time. Little icy, need one more respin. And while our creamy is spinning, we're gonna make the mix in here. We're gonna use Catalina Crunch. We're gonna get that short baked biscuit texture while keeping the carbs low and the protein high. It's gonna provide a massive crunch factor that's gonna last with every single bite. 8 grams here. And we're gonna use some sugar-free syrup. This is gonna help the mix-ins distribute evenly, creating a nice gooey swirl instead of a dry, powdery mess. We're gonna use 3 grams of it here. And a dash of salt, because that just enhances everything. Mix it up. And this is what it's gonna look like. It's ready to go. Let's go back to the creamy. Perfection. Now we just gotta add in our mix-in. Absolute massive pint, maximum density right up to the brim. It's gonna be so good. Oh my goodness. Strawberry shortcake ice cream. I put a couple extra pieces of Catalina Crunch on top just for fun, but it's gonna be crunchy throughout regardless. This is an amazing pint of ice cream for just over 300 calories. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable texture. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. I mean, it truly doesn't look any better than that anywhere else. This is actual ice cream that's loaded with protein and low cal. Perfecto. The creaminess, the crunchiness, unbeatable. This amount of calories, this amount of protein, unheard of. All right, one more to go. You ready for it? Here we go. And for our cinnamon roll ice cream, we're gonna start again with 400 grams of Fairlife skim milk, 4 grams vanilla extract, and we're back to our maple extract. Cinnamon rolls do have a deep maple flavoring, especially when you think about what that gooey centers really taste like in a real cinnamon roll. This is gonna mimic that flavor here. We're gonna use 5 drops of it. 5 grams swerve granular. Still 10 grams of sugar. Trust me, it's not just for flavor, it helps the texture of the ice cream as well. Speaking of texture, half gram xanthan gum, dash of salt, and 32 grams protein powder. And we'll go give this a blend. Blended it into our creamy pint it goes. Again, 24-hour freeze, but we already have one that we're gonna try now. Probably my favorite creamy of the day, so let's get right to this one. One more respin. And while that's respinning, let's make our mix in. This is gonna be a critical step because if you don't add the syrup and the cinnamon together, you're gonna end up with the cinnamon all at the bottom of your Ninja Creami even after you freeze it. Cinnamon settles to the bottom every time, so what you wanna do is get this mixed in afterwards with a mixture of sugar-free syrup and cinnamon. We're gonna use 15 grams of the syrup and 3 grams of the cinnamon. This is what it's gonna look like. This is also gonna give a nice cinnamon swirl to your creamy to make it slightly more aesthetic and feel even more like a cinnamon roll. Dig out a hole for the mix-in, add in our cinnamon mixture, refill the hole, and one more spin on the mix-in setting. Oh, cinnamony deliciousness, ready to go. Cinnamon roll in an ice cream pint. Unbelievable. You could add some cinnamon toast Catalina Crunch to it if you wanted a few more calories for a little more of a crunch texture, but this is so good on its own and it's under 300 calories. It's an absolute no-brainer. By far of the 3, this is my favorite right here. It is all cinnamon roll. Let me show you the texture. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon roll in a pint. If you like these 3 recipes, check out this video here where I go through 3 more that are unique flavors. So delicious, a little higher in calories, but totally worth it. Check those out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.